Hey everyone, welcome back to Codesel. This is our day 28 of 365 days of problem solving, and today we will solve a simple yet interesting problem. Here we need to find the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n. And same thing we wrote in our understanding of this problem, and the value of n is basically provided by the user. That's the catch. Now let's see how we will solve this, so you will get a better idea what we need to do. So basically let's say the input is 5. Okay, now we need to find the sum of all natural numbers. And what are natural numbers? The numbers which starts from 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, these are natural numbers, right? So what we will do, let's say we have given 5, so till 5 we will sum the numbers one by one. So let me explain here. So we will do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this will be the sum. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 2 5, 1 6, and then 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 15. Okay, let's remove this, and same thing we need to do for this input 10, and we will get 55 in that scenario. After understanding this problem, let's see our approach for solving this problem. So what we are doing here is, first we will ask the user to provide us the value of n. Then we will initialize a variable to basically store the sum. Then we will use a loop, and we loop through each number from 1 to n and add them to the total sum. Finally, we will output the final sum of the user, means we will print our answer. So let's write our code so it will be much easier to understand. Okay, so we have wrote our code. So what basically we are doing, first we have asked the user to give us the value of n. Then we have created another variable total sum which is currently 0. We are using a loop which starts from 1 till n plus 1, because we need the sum till n, right? That's why we are doing plus 1 here. Then we have used this total sum variable here, this one, and what we are doing, we are adding I to it. So initially the value of I is 1, then the value of I become 2, then we will do 1 plus 2, then the value become 3, then it will become 1 plus 2 plus 3, like that till 5, and we will get the total sum here. I hope you understood. Okay, so let's run this and see whether it's working fine or not. So if I give 5, it should return 15. So it's returning 15, which is correct. And if I give 55, sorry, if I give 10, it should return 55. So let's run it again and give it 10, and it's returning 55. So our program is working fine. Now what optimization we can make here? So in our 9th or 10th, I guess, in the 9th in the number series chapter, there was one formula to basically do this. So we will use that formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we will utilize that formula and try to figure out the sum. Let's try that formula as well. What we are doing here is, first we are taking the input from the user, then we are applying the formula to calculate this sum. Okay, what's that formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So if our value is 5, okay, then this will become 5 into 5 plus 1, which is 6. So 5 into 6, it will become 30, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So we will get 15 as the output. Okay, so let's run this and see whether we are getting the same output or this formula even works. That we need to check, right? So let's give it 5. we will get 15. We get this 15, right? Now let's try this 10. We should get 55 and we are getting this 55. So our formula is working fine. That's it. We have solved the problem of finding the sum of natural numbers using both a simple and optimized approach in Python. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.